Today is Wednesday, October 8th, 2025. These are Rosie's babies at 3 weeks old. So they're kind of getting up on their feet. Not quite running yet, but we are getting around. And we put our collars on. Let's see, this is our lighter fawn girl. And she's got a multicolor collar on. Yes. Hey, CB. Yeah. She's got a very thick coat. Little beauty mark. And our green collar is our little boy with the most white. Hey. Are you chill? He's like baby. If I find a comfortable spot, I'll chill. And then red, white, and blue is our little all black boy. Little all American. You're laid back like your daddy, aren't you? Yes. And then our orange color is our little black girl. Hi, baby. You're chill too, aren't you? They still have their baby blue eyes. They'll get darker as they get bigger. All pugs have black and brown eyes, but when they're born, they have baby blues. Let's see. And the white color is our little black boy with a thin white line. Yeah. Oh, you cute baby. And our darker fawn girl is a little bit smaller. She's got a pink and yellow and green collar on. You're just ready for nap, aren't you? Yeah. She's got a thick coat too, thick double coat. So, a double coat means they'll shed more, but they're also better insulated from the heat and cold. Let's see. They're doing really well. This week we will put their fresh potty patch in here. Start getting them potty trained. And we'll also start with some baby food watered down into mush. So baby mush. And their moms eat the same food, but they like the mush too. I don't know if they think I put something special in there or not. Who's that talking in their sleep, huh? We're awake a little more this week than we were last week, but we're still sleeping a lot. It's like, you already disturbed me once. I know, but you're really cute. You're not the one talking, are you? I know, that's my brother. So sleepy. He's like, okay, you give me a massage and I'll go to sleep. Put you on the puppy pile. Right there, you fit perfectly. Dreaming. Why are you waking me up? Why? I can give you a belly rub. Huh. Yeah, play with your paws. You've got a little bit of white on these toes. Huh. Just 2 toes that are white. I don't have milk. Okay. Well, we will see you all next week when we're 4 weeks old. And we'll be up around a lot more. Until then, have a good week.